Hello students, today we will discuss about the Tarjagi's one-dimensional consolidation. Let's start with the assumptions made by Tarjagi. First of all, the soil is homogeneous and fully saturated. That means the soil particles has no amount of air. The soil particles and water is compressible. Darcy's law is valid. That means permeability is constant. These assumptions are only in regarded of primary consolidation. Now consider a clay layer subjected to overburden pressure sigma dash. Now consider a element of dimension dx, dy and dz. Now we know the hydrostatic pressure U bar equals to H into gamma W, where gamma W is the unit weight of water. Then we gain H equals to U bar by gamma W. We know hydraulic gradient I equals to dH by dz. Substitute the value of H, we get 1 by gamma W du bar by dz. Now according to the Darcy's law, V equals to Ki, where K is the coefficient of permeability. Let's substitute the value of I. We get V equals to K 1 by gamma W du bar by dz. Now change in velocity along with the layer dz, we get dv by dz equals to dtz k 1 by gamma w du bar by dz. K by gamma w is a constant, so we get k by gamma w d2 u bar by dz square. Now we know the velocity at the entry is v. So the velocity at exit will be v plus dv by dz into del z. This is for the pore pressure or hydrostatic pressure. Quantity of velocity is v into area. So at entry it will be v into dx dy. At exit it will become v plus dv dz del z dx dy. So the net quantity of water will become dv dx dy dz by dz. Now we know the coefficient of volume change is change in volume to the initial volume due to the change in pressure. So we get del V equals to minus mv v0 by sigma dash del sigma dash, where v0 is the initial volume. So it will become dx dy into dz. This is the dimension of the element. Now change in volume per unit time will become d dv by dt equals to mv dx dy dz d sigma dash by dt del sigma dash by dt. Now we equating the equation 1 and 2. This is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. We get mv dv by dz equals to minus mv d sigma dash del sigma dash by dt. Again we know the total pressure is the overburden pressure and plus hydrostatic pressure. The total pressure is constant. So when we derivative so it will become 0 when we take first order derivative with respect to t. We will get 0 equals to d dt del sigma dash plus d dt u bar. So d dt del sigma dash equals to minus du bar by dt. Putting the value of d dt del sigma dash in the equation 3, we get dv by dz equals to mv du bar by dt. Now k gamma w d square u bar by dz square equals to mv du bar by dt. So we get du bar by dt equals to k gamma w mv into d square u bar by dz square. Or we can say du bar by dt equals to cv d square u bar by dz square, where cv is known as the coefficient of consolidation, is k by gamma w into mv. This is Tarjagi's one-dimensional consolidation equation. So this is for today. Take care of yourself and your family in this current situation.